YouTube Shorts. Most of you have heard of them before, and most of you probably watch them regularly. In this tutorial, however, I will show you how you can utilize them to get paid online, even without filming a single video yourself, without complex video editing involved, and with no skills or previous experience of any kind. And with all of that said, guys, let's now get right into this tutorial. As you have all heard, today I will share with you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts on YouTube without actually filming any video yourself. Before we get to that, however, it is very important to highlight that you will not be able to get paid via YouTube right away. You will first need to meet the monetization requirements, which, as some of you may know, are pretty difficult. You will need at least 4,000 hours of watch time within a year and 1,000 subscribers. Both of these are quite difficult to get to, especially the 4,000 hours of watch time, since you will be a complete beginner with no subscribers to begin with, and the watch time you will be getting will be quite small. And so I would highly recommend, after you start on YouTube through this strategy, that you also start using two sites called subpats.com and vfly.com. Both of these will help grow your YouTube channel immensely, and even though they are not free, they will definitely be worthwhile because you will get monetized much sooner. Subpats would help with your YouTube subs. Meanwhile, vFly would help you by getting you those much needed watch times. You definitely do not have to use these two platforms to make this work, but I just wanted to throw them out there for those of you who may want them. And with all of that said, it is now time for me to show you what your first step will be. And what you want to do is basically pick a niche. What I mean by this is that you need to know what types of videos you want to upload. Perhaps you are someone who loves science or someone who loves animals. It would be much more beneficial for you to upload videos about something that you are passionate about rather than something you aren't. The only important bit here is that the niche you pick is at least somewhat popular and people are interested in it. If you're stuck between two and you don't know which one to pick, go for the more popular one. Just as an example in this video, guys, I will be using the animal niche. And as many of you know, this is a hugely popular one. These videos you see on the screen right now have hundreds of thousands up to millions of views. So it's a pretty good example. And a YouTube channel that I found that is uploading animal-related videos and making a lot of money is this one right here called Don't Stop Meowing. As its name suggests, you can find cat-related videos on here. And as you can see by these subscribers and views on some of those videos, those two who are recording them are doing really well. In fact, if you go over to Social Blade, you would be able to see that they are making anywhere from $22,000 up to $300,000 on a monthly basis, which is just insane. Just keep in mind that all they are doing is recording 30 to 60 second long videos with their phone. The videos don't have any thumbnails, the videos are not edited with some professional video editing software. This is literally as easy as it can get. Furthermore, if you check out the oldest videos on this channel, you would find that the first video they uploaded was merely 1 year ago. And it got 200,000 views despite it being their first video. Point being here, guys, you can easily record these types of videos. You don't need skills for that whatsoever since you won't be editing them or anything. And most importantly of all, you can make a lot of money even as a complete beginner, which is shown by the fact that they only started uploading videos a year ago. However, what if you are someone who does not want to record any videos at all, but you still want to make this work? Well, that is exactly what I'm going to show you now, so be sure you keep watching. What you will now want to do, guys, is search for videos in your niche. In my case, I just typed in cats, and from here you now want to click on filters right over here. And then you want to find and click on Creative Commons right here. This will now give you the license to use these videos, including uploading them yourself and getting paid for it too. The next step now would be to, simply put, find a good video. So you want to invest a bit of your time watching some of these just to find the best one, and you will then want to download it. An easy way to do that is copy the link of the video in question, then head over to Google and search for YouTube to MP4. Open up any one of these websites to then download that video free of charge. Which one of these you pick doesn't matter whatsoever, since they all work in much the same fashion. With that done though, now that you have your video, you actually need to turn it into a short, since you don't want to just upload regular videos, but rather shorts. And the perfect website you can use for that very purpose is canva.com. This is a free website you can use to design a bunch of stuff. More importantly for you though, you can use it for some basic video editing. And what you want to do when you come onto this website is, as usual, sign up for free. Once you do that, you will now need to type in the search bar here, mobile video, and that will now take you over to the editor. And what I've done, which you will now want to do yourselves, is open up the video in this editor that you downloaded a mere few moments ago. To do so, just click on Uploads here, and then on the Upload button. From here, what you will now want to do, guys, is adjust the video so that it fits nearly the entire screen. And with that done, you now have a video in a resolution that can be classified as a short. And remember that you did not have to record a single thing for that to happen. The last step you now need to undertake before this video becomes a proper short is to, well, shorten it. To do so, first select the video if you haven't already, and then click on these scissors here. That will now be able to cut a piece out of the video, and you will want to simply cut one out that you feel like is the best part, and then click on Done. With that, you can now download this video by clicking on this button and then upload it onto YouTube as a proper short. And since you have the Creative Commons license, this means that you can actually make money off of this video. The absolute best part here, guys, is that with the one video you downloaded, you can literally cut out 10 different parts, if not more. So you can upload 10 different shorts on your channel. And as I said before, you won't have to edit them at all from there. No thumbnail designing, it's as simple as it can get. What you will do from here is basically repeat this same process over and over again and keep uploading short videos. And if you picked a decently popular niche, you'll be able to start growing your channel rather quickly, especially if you decided to use either VFly or Subpats to increase your growth further still. And you will be able to eventually start making quite a bit of money online despite not recording a single video of your own.